Anubaji,
Yeah.
do you think emotional
Very,
abandonment?
very correct term actually. Yeah.
That's right.
Emotional
So,
abandonment.
do you think that emotional abandonment at home is driving people, in fact, children and minors, underage minors, towards online gratification because what they're not getting around them, they're seeking it online?
Yes, you are absolutely right. And I think the parents, I know that the parents are nowadays busy. Both mother and father both are working. Earlier, mother used to be at home and she used to take care of children. But now, since both the parents are working, it's become very difficult for them also to interact with children on day-to-day basis. So definitely, this gap, communication gap between parent and children is I think is the uh, main reason for the children to now getting involved in all these kind of activities, be it online gaming, and there are so many other things in which these children are involved. And at the same time, not only the parents, I think the counseling of parents and children both is very important. Yesterday also I have, and every time I always insist and always request the authorities also that let's start some awareness campaign all over India, right from school level, right from primary school level. We should have some awareness camp. We should have some counseling on monthly basis. Let's have some counseling of parents and children both. And once we have proper counseling and awareness, I think we will be able to uh, bring lot of change as far as the online gaming is concerned, as far as the addiction, mobile addiction is concerned. How to get away with that mobile addiction? Even parents are not aware. They just knee-jerk reaction is not going to do anything. That is going to harm. What has happened in this incident? The knee-jerk reaction of the parents. Because of the knee-jerk reaction, the children have taken away their life. The parents could have consulted any a psychologist. They could have helped them to get out of all this thing. But in India, it's still a stigma. Parents and even we as a normal citizens, we don't want to take any help from the psychiatrist and
That's
psychologist.
right. It's frowned upon. The idea of therapy itself is frowned upon. People look down on people seeking therapy, which
Yes,
is actually a good thing because if you don't know what
it
to
is.
do with an emotional condition that you're experiencing, then who do you go to? You can't go to
Absolutely.
your parents who are extremely busy. School hours are only for a limited time. After school hours, you can't approach your teachers because they also have their own personal lives. But there
Yes.
are therapists
I
which,
think the intervention of a psychologist
uh-huh.
would have helped these children getting out of this, and we would have saved these children if the parents would have consulted a psychologist.